Well, hello and welcome to Gardening with Granny. Today is Saturday, the 27th of April, and it started out as a pretty wet and rainy and cool morning, but it has ended up to be 77 degrees and sunny and windy, and I would like to share my day with you. I went to the market and picked up some really pretty flowers. I was hoping to find some veggies, but not yet, not here in Michigan. And then when I got home, my crew was here and they were filling in the beds for with compost. So let me share that with you. What a difference some mulch makes. This is actually compost pine bark mix, so it isn't dyed mulch, and I love it. Well, it's pretty windy, but I'm gonna do this without a microphone because it's getting ready to rain again. But this is my market haul. I got these beautiful little coral, I always have trouble saying that word, colobacea. This is the petunia, headline night sky, and Gerber daisy that didn't have a tag. And then I got a couple perennials. I got this beautiful clematis that I'll be putting in where the grapes are, with the area that I just got through mulching. And then this orange bloom is called Totally Tangerine. It's a sun to shade. Haven't quite figured out where I want to put that yet. And then this plant right down there is Iridium. So those are really cool looking flowers. They're obviously in the thistle family. The leaves are very, very picky, but I think they will be pretty. I've seen other gardeners grow them and use them as dried flowers. So that's my market haul. So I also got 3 Rockin' Purple Salvia. These are proven winners, and I had these in this bed last year and it was a total hit. I absolutely loved it. So we'll see. The warmer weather is here and I'm going to chance planting them this weekend. So it's pretty windy and I'm at the road and there's lots of traffic. So hopefully you can find me, hear me rather. And we are looking at the entrance garden and it is prepped and ready for the proven winners flowers. I don't know when they will be sending those to me, but I'm very pleased with how this looks. And hopefully we can keep those weeds under control. They were pretty messy. We're not going to do a full garden tour because I want to do that in a day or two. But I just wanted you to check out my chives. I've already harvested half of them and froze them and dehydrated some. So I like to do that before the blossoms come. So I want to thank you for joining me today on this, you might say, work day with Mary. And I hope that you're having good weather where you are. So goodbye for now, and I'll see you in the next one.